even if those involved were not members of the armed forces of the Philippines, but yet we are there to support each other. You know? So whether the incident happened with the Philippine Coast Guard, with the BFAR, nagkakaisa lang naman tayo. No? At ang hangarin natin ay mapanatili yung kapayapaan dun sa lugar. And that we continue to assert our sovereignty and our sovereign rights in the area.
Sir, what else can AFP do?
Well, it's the National Maritime Council that's on top of the situation. Of course, taking orders from the Commander-in-Chief, the President. And still, the order of the President, which is not to give up a square inch, even a square centimeter of our territory, stands. So yun po yung aming standing order na galing sa ating Pangulo. Kaya tuloy-tuloy po yung ating ginagawang mga actions so that we can maintain our presence in the area. Yun po ang importante, yung presence natin. Dahil once we give up, once na umalis tayo dyan sa West Philippine Sea, ay we don't know what will happen. Baka gawing mga artificial islands ulit yung Escota Shoal. Kaya kailangan nandun tayo.